Debugging printed circuit boards, or PCBs, can be a time-consuming process requiring frequent context switching between the PCB's schematic and layout and the physical PCB. We present ARDW, an augmented reality workbench to assist electrical engineers in debugging printed circuit boards. The workbench is comprised of a few major components: a web application that delivers schematics, layouts, and functions to control the workbench, an anti-static interactive area on the workbench surface where PCB augmentations are presented by an overhead projector, a set of probes tracked via a motion capture system used for selection and measurement, and a connected multimeter for capturing measurements. Users can first load a design onto the workbench from KiCad, an open-source design tool using our import utility plugin. Once loaded, the system can align the augmentations to the board. ARDW facilitates navigation between the schematic and the board simply by selecting a component, pin, or net on the screen. The system guides users to the appropriate area on the board. Users can also use their probe on the board to select items and navigate back to the design files. If an area of the board contains overlapping component, net, and pin designations, the system provides a pop-up menu to disambiguate. When users first receive boards, they are able to quickly run common functional checks, such as checking that component orientations are correct by looking at pin 1s, or that components that are not meant to be installed have been appropriately omitted. Users can load measurements they seek to take into the system to perform bring-up power checks or test hypotheses, with the corresponding probe point highlighted to the user on the board. As the users place the probes in the appropriate location, the measurements are automatically captured by the system and compared to test bounds the users specify. As users reason through their debug, ARDW can help support by decreasing context switching between design files and the board. To facilitate collaboration, remote users can also connect with ARDW to assist others in real-time debugging, or to provide instructions and test procedures for others to follow. We quantitatively and qualitatively evaluated the system with 10 electrical engineers from industry and academia, finding that ARDW speeds up board navigation and provides engineers with greater confidence in debugging. We discussed practical design considerations and paths for improvements to future systems. Please see the paper for details.